Okay, so in page number 238, we have the case study questions. Look at the first question. A political party placed an order to a screen printer for the printing the party slogan on a rectangular cloth sheets. The margin is 2.5 centimeter along length and 1 centimeter along the width. Along the width of the cloth was left. Okay, margin were left. The pictorial of view of the slogan is shown below. Okay. Some figure is given like this. Okay, this type of case study questions only you will get. So you should be thorough with the formulas what you are learning in area, volume, all that type of questions you should be thorough. Okay. So now look at this question. What is given here? Okay, we are given with a rectangular sheet. Okay, it is given in the form of rectangle. And what is given? The political party has placed an order to a screen printer for the printing party slogan on a rectangular cloth sheets. A margin of 2.5 along the length. Suppose this is the length we take, means it is 2.5. Along the length we are leaving 2.5. And along the breadth, it is taken 1 centimeter. Okay, it is given 1 centimeter. And in the figure itself, it is given breadth is taken as X and length is taken as Y. Now, based on this, look at here. If the total area of the cloth is 640 centimeters square, total area is given as 640 centimeters square. Answer the following questions. So total area means what is the formula here? What will be the area of the slogan? Is it L into B? Will it be length into breadth? Total area of the cloth. Okay, it is not, okay, it is including the margin. So it is given as 640 is equal to XY. Is it correct? 640 is equal to X into Y. Okay, is it correct, children? Is that no? Am I correct? Aishwarya, Karthik, yes, Anila? Now answer the first question. If the length and breadth of the rectangular part on which the slogans is printed are respectively. So this is the printed area. So what will be the length and breadth of the printed area? What will be the answer? So this is what they are taking as length and this one they are taking as breadth. So it will be the length and what will be the breadth? Here it is 1 centimeter, here it is 1 centimeter. So that means what will be the length? From the length. So what is the printed area's length? So this is full length is Y, isn't it? They are taking this as Y. So here 1 meter, here 1 centimeter. So what will be the length? What will be the length here? It is 1Y minus 2, isn't it? If you take the printed area, it will be Y minus 2. And what about this part? Full length is X. Here 2.5, here 2.5. So 2.5 plus 2.5? Yes, I give the answer, children.
5.
So what will be the breadth?
Minus 5.
X minus 5. So what will be the answer?
Option B.
Option B. Now, what is the relation between X and Y? What is the relation between X and Y? What is the relation between X and Y? X is the length and Y is the breadth it is given. So, what is the area? Area is given as 640. So, what is the relation between X and Y? Karthik. Roman letter 2. What will be the answer?
XY is equal to 640.
Yes, correct. XY is equal to 640. Now, if A be the area of cloth on which slogan matter was written, therefore, what is the area? We are asked to find how much area. This area we have to calculate. Aparna, try this one and calculate. If A is the area of the slogan matter, then what will be the area of the matter? So length is x minus 5 into y minus 2, isn't it? So simplify, open the bracket, simplify and find out what is the relation. So when you open this, you'll get xy minus 2x minus 5y plus 10. What is xy? 640. 640 plus 10. So we can write this as 650 minus 2x minus 5y. But look at the answer there. Is it 650 minus 2x minus 5 is there? No, isn't it? No y term. Everything should be converted in terms of x. How will you convert? Check it and give the answer. How will you convert this? Try this and give your answer.
Ma'am, how xy is 650?
640 plus 10. Here we have plus 10. Okay. Hmm? Is it okay, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now how will you convert it? What is your answer? Anila Mohanan, A, B, C, D, which one is your answer? Final answer, we want everything in terms of x, isn't it? So, we don't want y. So, y we can replace it with? Yes, tell me children, y we can replace it with? 640 by y, isn't it? So, we'll get 650 minus 2x minus 3200 by y.
Isn't it x?
Sorry, x. So what is the answer? 650 minus 2x minus 3200 by x. So option is
A.
A. Okay, so like this, all the questions will be interrelated in case study. Now look at the fifth one. What is the value of x for which it is maximum? So this is our function. What is our area function now? Area function is A is equal to 650 minus 2x minus 3200 by x. So we want this area to be maximum. So we want to find dA by dx, first order derivative and second order derivative. So it is the first order derivative, 0 minus 2. What is derivative of 1 by x? Aishwarya, derivative of 1 by x is?
Minus 1 by x square.
Very good. Minus 1 by x square. So we'll get minus 2 plus 3200 by x square. Now find out the second order derivative. 0 plus 3200 into 1 by x square. If you differentiate, minus 2 by x cube, which is negative. Which is negative, isn't it? Then what we do? We equate first order derivative to 0. dA by dx is 0, implies 3200 by x square is equal to minus 2. It will become plus 2. So x square is equal to 1600. So x is 40. Is it correct? If length is 40, find out what is the area. Calculate it. A is x is given, from there y, from there find out what is the area. Yes, calculate and give the answer. What will be the answer? What is the value of A? After finding X, find what is Y.
Ma'am, 490.
490. Yes, it is 490. Is it clear, children? Is the method okay? 490. It is correct. Okay. Okay. Now, is it okay? The first case study question, is it clear? How to solve it? Is it okay? Now go through the next question. Make it fun. Okay, look at the next question. Read the question. Tomlin, you have the textbook with you? Tomlin, read the second question, Tomlin. Yes, Tomlin is there? Okay, Karthik, read the second question, Karthik.
Saloni has a piece of tin rectangular in shape as shown in the diagram given below. She is going to cut squares from each corners and fold up the sides to form an open box. Based on the above information, answer the following questions.
Okay, so now listen here. Saloni has a piece of tin rectangular in the shape of, it is given there, isn't it? One side it is 45 centimeter length, the other side it is 24 centimeter. Now what is given? From each corner, she removes some square pieces. So we can take the X be the length of the square pieces to be removed. Okay, she removes X. Now based on this, what is given? Look at that. If X is the side of the square cut off from each corner of the sheet, what is the length of the box? What is the length of the box, children?
45 minus 2x.
45 minus 2x. So the length is 45 minus 2x. What is the breadth? This 24 minus 2x, isn't it? And what will be the height? She folds this side. Okay, so this folding will become the height. So height will be x. Now look at the third one. What is the volume of the box? What is the volume of the box? What is the formula for volume? For a cuboidal box, volume is L into B into H. So it is 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. Volume is L into B into H. Now, what is asked? Look at the next part. You are asked to find the what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum. What should be the maximum? So you have to find what is dv by dx. What will be dv by dx? Here we can use the product rule. UVW rule. What is UVW the whole dash? It is UVW dash plus UV dash W plus U dash VW. This is the. So when you apply this, what you will get? 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into derivative of x is 1 plus 45 minus 2x into the middle term, if you differentiate, 0 minus 2 into x plus 0 minus 2 into 24 minus 2x into x, isn't it? Now, let's simplify this. That is, when you simplify this, what will be the volume you will get? 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x minus 2x into 45 minus 2x. Again, minus 2x into 24 minus 2x. Okay. If you want, we can again simplify this. This is same as you can open the bracket, simplify and find out what is the maximum value. But you can, okay, instead of doing like this, you can think logic there, isn't it? Actually, the length of the box is 45 centimeter. If we cut 18 from each side, is it possible? Whether you will be getting, instead of writing the steps, you can apply that logical part. Options, look at the options given there, 18 and 5. Instead of writing this lengthy steps, you can think it. If I remove 18 from the length, the breadth is 24. If I remove 18 and the other one 18, is it possible? Will it be possible? Are you able to understand what I say, children? Huh? The method is you have to find the maximum means first order, second order and all. But instead of doing this lengthy steps, look at the measurements given there. If I cut 24 from one side, one option is given as 24. Suppose I cut, is it 24? No, 18. Suppose I cut 18 from here. So is it possible? One side it is 24 centimeter only. So will it be possible? Surely not, isn't it? Then what is the possible answer? 5. Is that no? Am I correct, children? Is it correct? Okay, then the length is 5. So if x is 5, substitute here and find out what is the maximum volume. So if x is 5, find out the corresponding maximum volume. Try that one. Go through it, children. Is it okay? Tell me, Tomlin, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now take the next question. Now take the next one. What is given in the next question? Read the question. A company is planning to launch a new product and decides to pack the new product in closed right circular cylindrical cans. It is given as a closed cans, okay, of volume 432 pi centimeter cube. The cans are made to be from the tin sheet. The company tried different options. So only thing we know is cylinder. For a cylinder, what is the TSA? First you tell me what is CSA of a cylinder. What is CSA of a cylinder? We have learned all those things, okay? Today itself, you make the formula booklet, keep it ready. For CSA of cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere. Note down it, cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, cone. Okay, it may be asked because we can't say it is not, we don't know. We have learned it in our lower classes. We should know how to apply it. We are learning applied maths. Okay, so we have to apply that one. Yes, recall it. Tell me. What is CSA of a cylinder? Those who don't know, yes, those who know give the answer. Aparna, what is CSA of cylinder?
2 pi RH.
Very good. TSA? 2 pi R into R plus H, isn't it? Okay, if it is closed on both the sides, if it is closed on both, it is a closed can. Okay, if it is one side closed means, if it is closed on the base and open on the top means CSA plus 1 base circle pi R square. Otherwise, we have to put 2 pi R square. Okay, now look at this question. If R is the radius of the base of the cylinder and H is the height, then what is the relation given here? The company is planning to launch a product, to pack a new product in a closed right circular cylinder of volume. So volume of the cylinder is given. Volume of the cylinder is pi R square H, isn't it? Pi R square H is 432 pi. Is pi R square H. So both the sides we can cancel pi. So we'll get R square H is equal to 432. Okay. Now what is given? If S is the surface area of the can, it is given as closed can. For closed can, surface area is 2 pi R into R plus H. 2 pi R into R plus H. Now look at that. Look at the options given there. In the options, no H term is there, isn't it? No H term. Okay, so we should convert it. For converting only, this relation we can use. H is equal to 432 by R square. So substitute here. So 2 pi R into R plus 432 by R square. Simplify and select which is your option. Make it fast. And then we have to get ready for the test paper. Okay, 12:30, get ready for the test paper. Then we are finding what is the minimum value. Then minimum surface area. When the surface area is minimum, what is the relation between height and radius? Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Huh? Is it okay? Hmm? Okay, now get ready for the test paper. Try to complete that one. And in the next class onwards, we start with probability. Okay, next class will start with probability. And I'll inform you if okay, Fridays, about the Fridays class, I'll inform you. Because I didn't meet sir, I'll meet sir and I'll inform you on, okay. So now get ready for the test paper. Yes, all of you turn on your video. Turn on your video and get ready for the test paper. Miss Shubham, he did not write and the test paper at all, huh? And Femina is not there. Can you see this, children? Can you see? 1 second, I'll share it once. Okay. Yes, start doing. Can you see the board? LN means log. Okay, that day, yesterday someone asked, what is LN? Once you finish this, you tell me. Applied Maths, your subject code is 241. Ten questions are there. So if you finish it, you take the photo and send it. Go through it.
Chance प्रयास करें. The number you have dialed is currently busy. Please try.
Ma'am, can you show sixth question once again? Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ninth question is not there. Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay, derivative of x raised to n, Karthik. Ninth one noted, derivative of x raised to n. Those are completed. Okay. I'm not posting it in the class group. You are completed? You all completed? Yes or no? By 12:50, I should get the photos. Okay, 10 more minutes. Make it fast. Okay, now I have sent that questions in the class group. 5 more minutes. By 12:50, I should get the answers. Okay, already 10 minutes is given. 5 minutes to take the photo and all. Okay, and now I'll end the session now. Send it at the earliest. You got the question in your class group? Yes? Okay, children. We can wind up. Thank yes. Okay, children. Thank you.